Hello everybody, I left Bouncy at home again. We are at Martin's Trailside Car Wash in East Earl, PA. We are going to try this again. This time, the last time I was here, I couldn't do it because, well, they literally have the card readers covered up. So we're going to try with cash and see if we can do it. And we're also doing it at nighttime. But it's only 7:02 at night. We're gonna try it. See if it's working first of all.
Hello, welcome to Martin's Trailside. Please select your wash or enter your code now.
Let's do ultimate.
Please add payment for your selection.
Get my cash right here. See, the card reader's covered up. Yep. Alright. Up, come on, go in. Alright. This is a Mark VII Softwash XT in this bay. Nope. Go in there. I might have pulled a little too far away. Get in there. There we go. Please take it. Alright.
You have purchased the ultimate wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
It is ready.
The wash is now ready. Please drive slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
Okay. I'm not gonna hit. Okay. That kind of scared me. Looks like it's having a little trouble calculating the height of the car. Going back down. Gotta go up a little bit. Brush completely missed the rear windshield, the top brush. Now I might get the windshield. Now I got it. that's scrubbing the tires. Let's see if we can kind of get a view of it going in. There it goes in. This bay is very dark. I believe that's the, it could be Rain-X 2. No, I think it's the spot fragrance. I believe we have onboard dryers. Yes, we do. Alright. So, my opinion on this car wash? I was actually very impressed. But keep in mind, the only way to use this car wash is either to get a code at the gas pumps over there, or use cash, which I used cash. So, that was actually a very gentle wash. Very impressed. Turkey Hill owns this place now, so I'm very impressed with that car wash. I like that one better than the touchless bay that I filmed a little over 2 years ago. Anyways, that will be it. Thank you very much for watching.